I'm gonna show you how to fold this towel, the roll towel, so that it's nice to be kept at the shelf. Okay, right now fold it like a triangle, both ends, hold it both hands, and then fold 3 times, 1, 2, and then 3, and then reverse, and then start fold as tight as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then look, insert. There's a gap over there. You have to insert it, and that's it. And put it that way, and then we'll put it on the shelf. Already folded, roll folded, and then I will arrange them on the shelf. It's nice and organized. How we prepare our table treatment for our client. Prepare for the steaming machine. Fill the water not above the red line. So you will see how I gonna put them here at the steaming machine. You how to put this in the machine, so make it sure it is stuck on the rubber. Okay, so now it's stuck on the rubber, and then do like this and not too tight, or else you're gonna explode the cylinder. The machine, the steaming machine for women, it's 25 minutes. 25 minutes. For men, 30 minutes. And then for the teenager is 20 minutes. And then when the water is already boiling, wait until the water boiling, and then turn on the vaporizer. And then will the steam comes out, and then aim it to the client. We need to wash our hands with antibacterial soap with warm water, so that when we touch our client, it's warm. Our hands is warm and comfortable for the client. Now we're going to wrap the client hair. All the products that we use in our facial treatment, they were Sotis brand from Paris, France. This one is for removing eye makeup and lips. One, two, three, lips. 1, 2, 3, the other side. 1, 2, 3. So next step is use the cleansing milk for cleaning the face of the client. Okay. Product just on the tip of the finger and dab it to the client's face. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then to the nose too. And then start cleaning the face. Start from the chin to the cheek and the forehead to the nose. Support the nose. Clean the client's face with a sponge and rinse it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then by the nose. 1, 2, 3. Repeat again. Dry the client's face with a tissue. 1, 2, 3. Flip it over. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Going to analyze the skin. Our school uses My Lady Standard Aesthetics for skincare course. In chapter 12, you will find the steps for skin analysis. It's on page 300. We have several types of skin analysis, skin types: dry skin, normal skin, oily skin, combination skin, and sensitive skin. Now we're turning the light to analyze the skin. So we're starting the T-zone. The T-zone are the chin, the nose, and the forehead. Oily type of skin, usually the pores are open and then it is shiny. Sometimes it appears on the cheek side. Sometimes the skin is rough and closed pores, inflammations, redness, and capillaries. Usually the combination skin is the T-zone. The T-zone part are oily, and then the side part through the ear are dry. It should be soft, no blemishes. The skin is smooth and beautiful. And we will use the toner to spray the face to take off the residue of the skin. Now it's boiling, and then the steam starts to come out from the spout, and then turn on the steamer and put the steam towards the client's face and aim it at least 16 inches. While the steam is on, we can start doing the scrub. We use Sooth's Disqua Cream. Put some product at the tip of the finger. Just enough. And then dab it. One. The purpose of doing this is to have a equal distribution of the product. And then we need some moisture. Put some water to make the scrub soapy, and then start to apply it in the skin. After I apply the Disqua Cream for scrub, now we're going to use the machine scrub as machine brush. So there were two kinds of the brush. One is for the cheek, the face, and then the other one is on the T-zone part of the face. And then I will show you how to operate. So let the brush click, and then turn on the brush, and there is also a lever here. Make it turn, and then there's a control over here. So if you want it faster, the brush will be faster, and then just turn it on the normal way. So the lever is 1, 2, 3, the dial. Okay, so let's start doing the brush. Let's start at the bottom. Always put your hands in the head to control the head of the client, and then start at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, going up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, again the small for the T-zone. Let it click, and then let's start to the bottom on the chin side, chin part. 1, 2, 3, 1 to the upper lip, and then concentrate a little bit on the corner of the nose. Going up to the top of the nose, corner of the nose, and then to the bridge and to the forehead, and repeat for few seconds. Okay, that. If we do not let your water drip on the client's face, always dab it to the side of the towel, and then start cleaning. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's always in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. And then if you're gonna clean the nose, insert your finger and then bring it out. Like that. Okay. Rinse it 3 times. We'll dry the face. Let's turn off the steamer. Skin. 1, 2, 3. Careful in the part of the nose. 2, 3. Outside. And the other side. The other side. Okay. If you still see shiny, just dab it. Because those are still wet. Okay. So the next steps is the massage. These are the steps of massage that we use in our school. There are 15 steps and I will show you all the movements. Step of the massage is butterfly. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Light touch. Only 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The second step is effleurage. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Third step is chin slide. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The fourth step is petrissage. It's use knuckles, both hands. Start from the lower ear to the chin and to the middle of the corner of the mouth, and then upper nose, and then go back to the ear. Okay, so I'll show you. 1, 2, 3 to the chin. 1, 2, 3 is like kneading. 2, 3. Go back to the ear. 1, 2, 3. Towards the nose. 1, 2, 3. And repeat 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Going towards the chin. Go back to the middle of the ear. Towards the mouth. And then go back to the ear. And then go towards the nose. And then repeat last time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Is hand over hand. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then last 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The next movement is tapping or the tapotement. It's on the cheeks. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, then 3. Both hands cross on the chin, and then side up to head, thumb on the head, and then circle. Make a circle on the temple. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The next step is figure 8, meaning it is doing a motion 8 on the eye. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Forehead friction. Start between brows using thumbs and then do it for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And last 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Forehead friction, we're going to divide this forehead in 3 sections. 1 at between of the eyebrow, at the middle of the forehead, and then to the hairline. Okay, so this is the second fraction. Use 2 fingers and then make a zigzag. from the forehead to the corner of the eyebrow. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. From the corner of the eyebrow to the middle of the hairline, and then go towards to the middle of the eyebrow, and then towards to the upper corner of the hairline, and then go down to the eyebrow and make circular motion 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then repeat. Okay, repeat the same motion, going to the eyebrow, going to the middle of the forehead, and then go back to the eyebrow, corner of the eyebrow, and then go back to the middle of the forehead, and do the same way on the other side of the face, of the forehead. And then circular motion 1, 2, 3, and then repeat. Brow forehead stretch. So we're just gonna use the thumb and then making sure your nails are short. Because if your nails are long, it will scratch the skin of the client. So you do like this. 1 to the temple, 2, 3, and then let's do the middle of the forehead. 1, 2, 3, and then be careful of your pressure. 1, 2, then 3. Is temple touch press. Okay, so meaning a temple touch press, you have to place your hands over the eyes, cross your finger over the eyes, and then this is how I do it. Touch, press, count. 1, 2, 3, release, touch, press. 1, 2, 3, release, touch, press. 1, 2, 3, release. Step is a ear press. Cross your finger and then press ear. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then repeat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then next step is half butterfly. Okay, start from the left, but put your left hand on the head, and then turn the head of the clients to the left, and then start to do the butterfly. Chin, shoulder, under the shoulder, back of the neck. Chin towards the shoulder, back of the shoulder, back of the neck. Chin towards the shoulder, back of the shoulder, back of the neck. A butterfly, put your right hand on the head and then turn the head on the right and start doing the half butterfly. Chest, shoulder, back of the neck, chest, back of the shoulder, back of the neck, and last one, chest, shoulder, and the neck. Next step is the butterfly, but you have to pull at the third count. Okay, chest towards the shoulder, back of the shoulder, back of the neck, and then pull. Okay, 1, 2, 3, pull. 1, 2, 3, pull. Effleurage is different from the first step. So we'll stretch the right hand and then slight touch to the chin, to the nose and forehead, and then your left hand slight touch from the nose to the forehead, and right hand slight touch to the forehead, and you're done. The massage, we have to wash our hands with warm water again and wash it really well. So we'll take our implement inside the sanitizing cabinet, and then make it sure do not you take it off with the tongue, not with your bare hand, because to prevent from cross contamination. Put it in a clean Another one to use for, you know, to open the pores or to open the skin if you're gonna use this lancet. You have to wear gloves. Doing the extraction. Okay, so when doing extraction, look first the thing that you see, you know, start from the biggest one, and then when you do extractions is you aim the hole. I always use this big hole, this one, because it's easy for me to extract. So when I do it, I aim close here. I do it like 95, it's 95 degrees, and then press a little bit, and it starts now to come out, you know, the acne or the blackhead, and then 45, and then it goes out already here on the hole, and then 180, scrape it slowly, and then the blackheads or the pimple will come out. How to use the vacuum? One, there were two kinds of two modalities. One is flat and one is round. The flat one is used for the cheek side and then forehead, and the round one is only for the T-zone side, T-zone part. The modality, and put it here, and then turn on the vacuum. So make it sure it's suck like this. You have to cover first the hole in order to suck, because if you don't cover, it will not suck like this. If you cover it, it will suck the skin like that. See, make it sure. Press it first. Okay, so start it. So usually this one, the vacuum is used for if there were so many pimples and, you know, blemishes. Do not massage the skin, or instead use the vacuum. And also this help also to loosen up the tissues of the blackheads. It's easy to pull it out. So you do, these are example, these are blackheads. You do like this way. You do not drag it like this, or else you're gonna tear the lining of the skin. So you should have to do like that. Okay, okay, let's say these are all the blackheads, and loosen up. Okay, other side too, like that. Okay, just like that. And then the T-zone, do the same way, but it's just on the part of the nose, and then cover the hole, and like this. And here, always when you do the nose, always support the nose. Okay, right here, and here, and here. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the high frequency. This round one is called this mushroom. Is used for the whole face. It's flat, and then this spoon is used to concentrate if there is a big acne. Like for example, the acne is like this, you have to concentrate it that way. Okay, and also this is the concentration one, the fully concentrated electrode. You have to do around to kill the bacteria, all this around like this. Okay, around it. You always count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then do not overheat the skin, or else it's gonna dry and then become irritated. Okay. It's called as one, and these are used for the whole body. If there were people that has like a scabies, you know, it will kill. It helps to kill those itchiness in the skin, for the arm, for the legs, or for the whole body. High frequency, apply first serum to the skin, because this one also help penetrate to the skin. The high frequency, the other uses of high frequency is penetration and also killing bacteria. This would help also to penetrate to the skin, just like that. Okay, apply it all over the face. All over the face, include the nose. Right there. Okay. Alright. So now we're going to use the mushroom. Turn on the high frequency. And then touch with your finger. And then touch the skin of the client. Take off your finger. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like that. Okay. So all over the face. Okay. And then here, the cheek, the chin. Okay. I will leave the serum the skin because that is still beneficial to the skin, and then we're going to use this mask. It's the hydrating mask. Let's apply the mask. So I start to applying the mask from the bottom, from the chin, and then going up. And then forehead going down. Just make or draw the eye, around the eye like that. The other side too. Okay, be careful on the side, and then corner. Okay, whatever left in your mask, put it in the neck like that. Neck, and also the décolleté or in the chest part. Okay, so make it like even application. Oops, not too close to the eyes. Avoid the eye area, and also to the lips. Okay, avoid the lip area. Okay, now I'll show you how to use this paper mask to cover the face. This is an optional, not to evaporate right away the mask. This will gonna pop up, and then it will expand. So now it's in the water, it starts popping out, and then let's just take off the plastic and squeeze a little bit. But use the water, it's a distilled water, to avoid from the residue and then some of impurities of the water. So we're using distilled water. Okay, and just open and then start. Because the face is small, so the mask is a little bit bigger. Okay, and then tuck it to the face, and then leave it at least 10 minutes. Now it's we'll take it off after 10 minutes, and then just peel it off like that. Make it neat so that it won't get the material to the face or to the eyes of the client. And that's it. And then we're going to rinse the skin. Rinse the face 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Rinse 3 times. Okay. Dry the skin, dry the face, I'm saying, and then like that, the chin, the neck, if it's still shiny, dab it. And then after this, we're going to apply the toner. Okay. And then once again, I will show you how to use the toner. Okay, spray it 3 times and about 10 inches away from the face of the client. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Turn off. After we spray the skin with the refresh the skin with a toner, and then now we're going to apply the moisturizer. We're going to use this Hydra Protective it's Sotis brand, which is very good to the skin for all types of skin. Now I'm applying the moisturizer. Dab it again to have an even distribution of the product, and then apply it from the bottom. Make it the application should be even application, and then if you can avoid the hair to be touched with the wrong product, and just clean up later. And then you can also do the neck because there's still part of the face, and also decollete if you have excess from your finger. And came before 5 o'clock, you can put sunscreen, but after 5 o'clock when there's a sun's down, you don't need to put sunscreen.